How's it going, guys? Only 2 days left of the 12 days of no quarter. So today's video is a bit of old footage. It's from June. It's when I went to a drift event and got to ride in a drift car for the first time. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so we made it. We're out here near Houston, Texas for some drifting. They're about to have the drivers meeting right now, and then we're gonna get some ride along. There are a lot of cool cars here. There's a lot of variety I like. We've got RX-7s, we've got a S2000, we've got a New Edge Mustang, there's a 05 Mustang somewhere around here. There's a E92, I want to say, M3. And then you've got your typical 350s, 240s, everything. It's pretty dope. We're gonna have fun.
Doing some track repairs. All right, so first of all, I'm waiting for people to get up here, but we're going to chat about something real quickly. I knew that we were going to have some problems, by the way. I knew that we were going to address the problems. Just like at Motorsport Ranch Houston, next time we're there, we'll be better. I do want to really reiterate, you need muffled cars. There are houses here. You can't say that enough. Some of the drivers didn't take it very seriously. It's a serious issue. I don't care that you think your exhaust sounds cool or something. No one else cares. Literally no one. Your car has to be quiet. Otherwise, we can't do stuff like this. Cool, that's up. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be allowed to.
So I did my first ride along. That was crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. That was way more intense feeling than I thought it would be. Yeah, that was really cool.